So anytime that, especially if you're a juror on a case, or you hear about Smith versus, in this case, Ibarra, um, the real party in interest is never the defendant who's named. So always, and what's crazy to me in Florida is we can't tell the jury that there's an insurance policy at play. We can't say that State Farm always hires these attorneys. State Farm always hires this doctor. State Farm always asks for surveillance. We can't tell them any of that stuff. We have to go in there under the fiction that we were suing a little old lady who died somehow. But if you're the person that caused the wreck, you have some obligations under your policy. You have to go to that courthouse. You have to sit there. You have to cooperate with that shenaniganry, right? And did they ask this woman any questions? Did they put her on the stand? Did she have any say in anything? No. She just had to sit there for 4 days and learn basically what her insurance company had been doing in the background. So normally those people who have been forced to sort of understand what their insurance companies did to them and how they could have gotten them out of that courtroom 3 or 4 years ago aren't terribly happy with their insurance companies when that sort of thing happens. I hope that juries know better than that, but that's the fiction that happens in the courtroom. And so one of the things that we have to talk about in jury selection is sympathy can't be a basis for your decision. And if you're sympathetic to either side, right? In this case, we had a woman who had a miscarriage. You can't just go and award her a bunch of money because you feel sorry for her. And the same thing, you can't worry that this estate is being sued and that you're going to somehow be sympathetic to people who are entitled to things out of that estate. Because in reality, in this case, there was no things in the estate other than an insurance company's decision making and check writing and refusal to write checks. But that's always something that I think is horrible, that an insurance company can hide behind a little old lady or an estate or the name of a business, because there's always an insurance company that's lurking around like they're surveillance folks. I mean, there's always an insurance company in the backdrop. So,
if an insurance company is treating you unfairly, or you simply have questions about your rights as a policyholder, give us a call. At Taylor, Warren & Weidner, we never charge any fee or cost to sit down with you and explain your legal rights.